Okay, it's almost empty. 2004 Acura TSX, 419 per tank, and that's the trip computer. And average 34.1 mile per gallon. This is the history showing I got 34.1 miles per gallon. Full tank go over 400 miles. My average speed is 59.8 miles per hour, and my car is a stick shift. Let me show you. I think the key is make sure the air filter is clean. Also, the tire is properly inflated, alignment, and don't accelerate too fast. Try to cruise control on the freeway if possible. But that's how I got 34 miles per gallon on Acura TSX 2004 6 shift. Thank you.